But anywho, welcome back to my channel, squad. I had originally recorded a cleaning video, started to edit the footage. I didn't like it, so I deleted it. If you guys know me, you guys know how I am. If I don't like it, I ain't gonna post it. I'll delete it and I'll do it over. I don't care if it takes me 4 or 5 days before I can post again. I'm gonna get that video right the way I like it. You feel me? So, I'm gonna take you cleaning with me today. I'm about to get a roast going, so that I'll have that in there. I'm gonna get my hair vlog going, get my hair washed and styled and the whole works. So that'll be a whole separate video from that today. I have not posted for a day and I feel like I'm slacking already. So I have a couple videos up my sleeve that I'm going to get recording, get edited, and get posted for you guys. Let's get me. I have a goal that I am trying to get to for this month. And this month I want to get to 4,000 watch minutes and I want to hit 100 subscribers. So I'm currently at 39 subscribers. Thank you so much to those that have subscribed already, and thank you for those that keep tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much, but keep going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep the momentum going. You feel me? Okay? So yes, let's do that. My lighting's all messed up. I plugged up my light and didn't even turn it on, honey. But now, okay, anyway, that's better. But yes, so I'm gonna clean today, get my hair done today, get dinner going today, get it slow cooking, get the house smelling good. I feel good this morning. I woke up in an excellent mood and I'm just ready to get the day started. I'm going to get myself together real quick. I don't have too much going on with my look right now because I am about to clean up and cook and stuff, so I'm not too keen on how I'm looking right this second, so whatever. When I do my hair video, I will get myself together. And yeah, today, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Okay? Chapo's collection. Shop it! She's got glasses, clothes. She do hair. Ooh, she cold with the locks. Make sure you book her too. I love my girl PP. Shout out to you, girl, if you are watching. I love you and I miss you. We need to link soon. And yeah, make sure you go shop her collection. Her name on Facebook for her collection is Chapo's Collection. Make sure you go look it up, shop, do whatever. And if you want your business shouted out, just let me know and I will do such. I love to shop and that is my girl. I buy almost everything up every time when I go over there. I be having to contain myself and put a limit on it because, yes, it's so comfortable. Little two-piece set. I love the little two-piece sets. And yeah, so we're just going to get into this video. I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on. And yeah, so without further ado, we're going to clean this house up, get dinner going, and then once I get done cleaning, I'm going to edit this vlog, post it, and get straight to my hair video. I'm going to wash it. I don't know what kind of style I want to do to it yet because I'm pretty basic. I don't know how to do my own hair for real. I'd rather go get it done, to be honest, because it's so long. Sometimes it's kind of hard to manage. That's why I throw it up all the time. And it's hot outside where I'm at. It's kind of hot. It gets real humid. There's no kind of breeze. So, yes. I just got back from the grocery store. I'm going to take you guys in there with me to see what all I bought. And we're going to get the dishes done because I don't let them... I just been gone for a day. The whole day I was gone yesterday. So I wasn't able to get anything done. So they kind of piled up from the 4th of July. Gonna get them dishes done, get the house clean. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen, guys. I'm about to put my groceries away. When I put my groceries away, I always, at least in the refrigerator, in the refrigerator, I clean it out every time I go grocery shopping and make it all nice and neat and organized, because sometimes I just don't feel like doing it and I just throw stuff in there and it gets a little chaotic in there. So you see the girls. There's Journey. Say hi, Journey. Okay. There's JC. Say hi, JC.
Hi, JC.
They always say their names. Okay, so yeah, so that's just... Hush. So, that's what I'm about to do now, and then I'm going to wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and get my roast going. Clean that. Time is 11:30. Oh, I gotta be somewhere. Okay, from there I just cook it on low. It is 11:49. So cook it on low till about 6:30-ish, depending on when my sides get done, because I'm also going to be making cornbread and macaroni and cheese to go along with it, and then it will be ready. So I will make sure to attach the finished product in this video. That way you guys can see how delicious it looked when it was